of a response that day. And by the way, I think Liz Cheney, who I think is a constitutional patriot and hero to me, is correct in asking the question, in delaying the response as he did the president commit a violation of any laws? And that's something that's very serious because we know how many times he was asked to send the DC National Guard to deploy troops to quell the riot or to quell the insurrection, and he refused to do so. And so I think that is something we have to get at. You asked a combo question, I think, and you asked about what's the next iteration.
MAGA movement, yeah.
The MAGA movement. I tell you what, Hannah, the demographic changes in this country are only accelerating. You know that. This country,
Quell. Quell. Quell.